briefing up to now, no? So sabi niya kanina, ninenervous daw siya. Of course, Commander, can you give the troops tigas pahinga? Right, I just want to share something for you, no, sa inyo. As we stand today, not only to present the results of the Reserve Officer Training for annual administrative and tactical inspection, but most importantly, to highlight the values that define our organization and our future leaders. The RAATI is not merely an evaluation, it is a reflection of commitment, a measure of preparedness, and a testament to the collective effort of every cadet, every instructor, and all the stakeholders involved in the ROTC program. The results you have achieved today are the proofs that excellence is not an accident. It is the outcome of dedication, teamwork, and unwavering discipline. As defenders of the North, so we call ourselves at the 5th Infantry Division and all units under 8, we call ourselves as defenders of the North. We are called to embody, and I would like to share you these 3 core values of Strict ID. And we call it MDG, or M stands for Malasakit, genuine concern for our fellow citizens, our communities, in our nation. This value reminds us that leadership is not about authority, but about service. It is about putting others before self and responding to the call of duty which will pass on. For you as cadets or students, no, kailangan may malasakit tayo sa bawat isa sa atin. No? Our fellow students, of course, for the school administration, and to the university itself, including its facilities. Kung may nakikita natin mga facilities natin, we take care of them. Yan ang tunay na malasakit. We also uphold the value of discipline, the foundation of every successful military and civic endeavor. Discipline shapes our actions, sharpens our focus, and ensures that we remain steadfast even in the face of challenges. Through discipline, we transform potentials into performance and vision into reality. Kayo ngayon, pinakita nyo the high state of discipline, the high state of training, the high state of morale, no? Because you cannot perform that, yung pinakita nyo ngayon na very exemplary performance without your discipline. So palakpakan ninyo kamay mga sarili nyo. And lastly, galing. G stands for galing, the pursuit of excellence. The RAATI results demonstrate not only compliance with standards, but the continuous drive to exceed expectations. It is through competence, innovation, and determination that we strengthen our capability as future leaders and defenders of the nation. This result serves not just an endpoint, but as a motivation to strive even further. The responsibility entrusted to us is great, and as defenders of the North, we must rise to meet it with courage, professionalism, and honor. So sabi ko nga, the ROTC program will focus mainly on war fighting, no? With the current regional security environment that we have right now, kailangan na tayo mag-train yung ating reserve forces. That's why, I was talking to your industry director and the university president, na yung ibang role natin dito na ginagawa natin, ita-transfer na natin yon sa CWTS so that you will have an interface and joint activities with them. So, perhaps the come a time, the ROTC, the CWTS, we will be having your training at the same time. Tinitingnan natin ang advocacy natin. To all who contributed to the success, your hard work and dedication are very commendable. Together, let us continue to build a stronger, resilient ROTC program that truly reflects the spirit of malasakit, disiplina at galing. In closing, under the steadfast leadership of Major General Gallagher Garcia, Commander of the 5th Infantry Division Philippine Army, as well as the Commander of the Reserve Command Philippine Army, si Major General Jess Ampuglia, we remain committed to excellence, discipline, and service to the nation. So are you ready for the result?
Yes.
Hindi na naman na.
No.
Are you ready? Alright. For admin and general administration, out of 200, you got 195.2.
Wow, 95.2.
Or equivalent to 97.6%.
97.6.
On arrival honors, almost perfect. Out of 50, you got 49.5.
Wow.
For ceremonial parade, walang deduction kasi walang nag-back down. So, may konting mga errors lang, pero very minimal. Out of 100, you got 99.65.
99.65.
Sa inspection tracks, out of 50, you got 47.9.
47.9.
Mukhang may mga hindi nakasagot. May mga defects no care. On close order 3 or the company 3, sino yung mga nag-company 3? Anong school yan? Oh. For close order 3, out of 50, you got 49.6. For property, mukhang naturuan ko yan ng maayos. Both theoretical and practical. Anong map yung ginamit nyo? Okay, those nag-map reading, pakita sa kamay. Anong map yung ginamit nyo? Anong sheet name yung ginamit yung map? Ako, babawiin ko yata.
Kaya wanti sumungbat gamin. Ah, wanda gati.
Map of Tabuk. So, kasi hindi na lang yung group commander, map of Tabuk. So, lamang na lamang kayo, kaya hindi kayo naligaw. For theoretical exam, out of 50, you got a perfect score of 50.
Wow.
Manalo na to. Dahil hindi kayo naligaw, you know where your location in the map, and on the ground, still, you got a perfect score of 50. On weapons, baka lahat na nag-participate may M16 sa bahay. Ha? O, nakita naman natin na lahat, we have witnessed that all of you, all those who participated in the weapons training evaluation, both theoretical, naming of parts, assembly and disassembly. In the assembly and disassembly, you're within the bracket of perfect score.
Wow.
Meaning 50 out of 50.
Wow. Galing.
Both, so sa theoretical, kasi mas madali lang yun, meaning You know how to identify parts. You know, kita natin lahat. You got perfect score. In first aid, basic life support. Yung theoretical exam, unahin muna natin ito. Yung practical. Sino yung mga nag-first aid? First aiders? Saan sila?
Damay may sa duduwa tagtay-tay at talo.
Yan.
Nakad-aduda.
You got a perfect score in the practical.
Apo ah. Perfect na ka naman.
But, sa theoretical, ito, wala tayong nursing course. Walang course na nursing dito, no? But you still have a high grade of 4 out of 50, you got 44.7.
44.7.
For the comprehensive exam, and you are very competitive in this. Mataas din yung nakuha nyo. You almost got perfect. I have learned that 6 of you got a perfect score of 100. Kasi ang point natin dito, for every correct answer, is equivalent to 1.5. So out of 150, you got 148.65. Almost perfect. And lastly, in the rig. In the rig, out of 100, ang ganda ng performance niya talaga. So, palakpakan natin yung SUV. Out of 100, you got 98.
Point.
Hindi na 98. Hindi na isa. Out of 100, you got 98. No?
Alahan, nagpalakpak at kinangag ito yung
May nag-calculator ba sila? Wala? Wala pala. So, muli, yung ating pasasalamat sa ating University Administration, the other affiliated school contributing to the ROTC Reserve Officer Training Corps of KSU, and everyone, no, maraming salamat, no, for your participation. Nakita ko yung commitment and dedication ninyo sa bawat isa. And of course, I would like to congratulate the Corps Commander staff, all of you, kay Cadet Colonel Tesorero. No? So, since wala naman nag-calculator sa inyo,
Ang dapat palakpak mo, kinangag ito yung dito.
now, the total score out of 1,000. Ano, excited ba kayo? Oo, gutom na kayo. Out of 1,000, you got 983 points.
983 points.
98.3.
98.3 total average.
Which is, I think, it's 2 points higher than last year. So, to everyone, congratulations.
88.3.
Kawan na mag-submit yung 7, narugit niyo yung office daw. Awan pa pirma na yung report daw.